Creek, coming out of Neal Gap, 1.1 mile in, probably headed to Baggs Creek. Punched that out in about 30 minutes, maybe slightly less. So that's good, coming up the hill the way I was. Just coming through Bull Creek, continuing to head up the hill. Punched that out in a little less than 30 minutes. I think it's 1.1 miles according to gut hooks. So that's pretty good start. The weather, mostly windy. Occasional showers keep kind of passing through. This is the backside of that storm that everybody's been dealing with. It's supposed to end, I think, around 2. It's 1 now. We'll see. Maybe a little later than that. Probably continue on to Baggs Creek. It's about 3.5 miles away, I think. But anyway, feeling lonesome and sad right now. Elle just left to head back to Atlanta. So it's sort of a melancholy day, but we'll just make it up by miles and deal with it from there. Take it a day at a time, step at a time. So I'll pick up as things change here. Talk soon. In camaraderie with my brothers and sisters who started a week or 10 days ahead of me and who didn't get a single shot as they went through Springer, Hawk Mountain, Sassafras, etc. I just want you to know, right here at the top of the hill outside of Neal Gap, heading north, here's my view. All right, back at you. So somewhere I've gotten off the AT and gotten onto a Blue Blaze. I have to check gut hooks, recalibrate. Now this is going to sound completely preposterous to everyone except for a thru hiker. But the only thing that's giving me solace on this most miserable day is that boot print. I've been following that boot print for miles. And you can see, with as clear as the print is in this incessant rain, that the individual is not that far ahead of me. Certainly today. I hope they plan on stopping at Baggs Creek rather than go all the way to Low Gap, so we can share misery. But you never know. But that is the one thing that's driving me on, is seeing that boot print in front of me, that I too can take the next step. So we'll continue on, probably about 2 miles from Baggs Creek right now. Later. Gee, Mom, Baggs Creek campsite sure briefed a lot better in the book. We won't be staying here tonight. Keep moving on. Guess we'll have to stay at stealth camp somewhere. Alrighty, here we are. It's gonna clear up real soon though. Weatherman says so. Oh, she's clearing up nicely now. Look at that view. Woo. All right, I passed Baggs Creek. It was a swimming pool, so I'll keep hiking on. I'll have to check out how far Low Gap Shelter is, but I want to say it's a long way, so maybe just stealth camping tonight. All right, guys, this is the reality. Somebody said it wasn't all sunshine and roses. Well, I can attest to that. But morale's good. It's all good. I'm soaked to the bone. So continuing to move is, I think, the best thing. I'm worried about getting cold by stopping. If I get into other clothes, they're just going to get wet. So I might as well just keep going on till it gets closer to dusk. I'll let you know as things change. Cow Rock Mountain. Old Cow Rock ain't much to look at today. But this is the way I'm supposed to be going. Two discoveries. A car. And another hiker. Two of them. Don't know if you can see them. Yeah, so the two I saw on the hillside were Vapor and Boss. Vapor is the blind hiker, and Boss, I presume, is his wife. We had heard about them from RTK, and actually from, I think her name was Michelle, Michelle with a little dog Arrow, and somehow we were behind them heading up Amicalola Mountain, but I don't know how we passed them by and didn't see them anyway. So we hadn't seen them. They went off trail at Woody Gap, went over to, I think, Neal Gap, and hunkered down for the storm and just got back out there. So it was their footprints that I were seeing coming through. They said they've got a group, I think about 4 other people. They're all going to Whitley Gap Shelter. It's sort of a pain in the ass because it's a mile off trail. And who wants to do a mile down and a mile back? But I think I will do that tonight. I was going to go down to Hog Pen and stay at the campsite there, but since I know there are hikers here and I don't know any of them, it'd be good to meet them, particularly since I'm out here by myself now. So I think it's worth the investment to do that. So I'm going to do that. And other than that, I mean, it has stopped raining, but still a really wet, cold. I'm not cold because I'm moving, but I will be really fast as soon as I stop. So I'll have to hunker down pretty fast. I don't think I'll be able to stay in the shelter. I'd only sleep 7. It sounded like they had that many. I'm sure they would save, and I would give, obviously, my slot to Vapor and or Boss. So I think I'll probably still be in my tent, but that's fine. At least I'll have some folks around to chat with. So I'm about to take that Blue Blaze down to Whitley and I'll let you know when I get there. Scars out.